tryna niggas learn. If I'ma let a nigga burn, burn, let him burn. And these bitches better learn when I pull up on my birds, making niggas see stars.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's diyclothes and I'm back, guys, and it's 2022 and here I am. I'm back, still looking cute and hot, as in like always. Okay guys, I know it has been a long time since I last posted. I have been busy dealing with personal matters, of which I finally managed to resolve. And then guys, today's video is a DIY tutorial. Before that, guys, I just want to say Happy New Year. I know I feel like I'm a little bit late to say this, but I'm not, because like it's still early 2022. It's February, so it's early to say Happy New Year, guys. And I just want to say whatever that is that you want to accomplish this year, I wish you do accomplish them and you succeed. I wish you succeed and I wish you achieve whatever that is that you want to achieve. Yeah, I don't really have so much to say, guys. I'm back. The thing is, I'm back now, and then busy, man. Oh, guys, and one more thing. Those of you who are not feeling well, I just want to wish you guys good recovery. 2022 is still so long. There are a lot of things they're dealing with. So, guys, do recover, okay? Yeah. So, I don't really have so much to say, guys. Honestly.